in this video let's discuss how to solve the horsepool algorithm problem easily. Now they will give the text and tell you to find the pattern in the text. So you must match the pattern. So it will be called as the string matching problem. Now if you see the uses of this horsepool algorithm, since it is based on the string matching, you can use it for web searches. Like if you type horsepool in the YouTube, it will only show the other keywords also. Horsepool algorithm problems in data structures, horsepool algorithm problem in data structures and algorithm. Like that it will show the extensions, no? Like that. Next, it is also used to detect the plagiarism. Plagiarism means if you have copied the others articles or others written novels, means it will detect the plagiarism. That is, it will tell you have copied their sentences and the words. Now let's solve the problem. To solve the problem, first you must write the bad match table. The first step will be to construct the bad match table. So how you will construct the bad match table? So we will be using one formula, that is value will be equal to length minus index minus 1. This is the only formula we will be using in this horsepool algorithm problem, that is value will be equal to length minus index minus 1. Now let's construct the bad match table. So in this bad match table we will be having two rows. So first one is letter, and another one will be value. So you will be finding the value for each and every letter. Now if you see what is the pattern given here, bar. In those pattern, which are the letters in it? B is there, next A is there, R is there, again B is there, then there is no need to write it again, B is already here. Next E, so you must write, and R is already written. Now if you see the pattern, you want to match it with the text, but if you see there is the space, so this dash specifies, underscore specifies, there is a space. So we must also write the space value also. If there is no space between the words, you don't need to add the space value. Now how to find means, first to find the length of the pattern. What will be the length of pattern? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 letters or 6 digits are there. So you can write it as the length value will be equal to 6. So length value we got. Now I must get the index value. So how you will get the index value means, write the index. B 0. Start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 5 means total 6 letters. So length is 6, and if you start from 0th indexing, it will be 0 to 5. Now find the value for each and every letter. For first one, B. So value will be equal to length. What is the total length? Length is 6 minus index of B. So index of B is 0 minus 1. So length minus index minus 1. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. So now we got the value of B as 5. Next A. 6 minus 1 minus 1. So index only changes, length will be same and minus 1 will be same. Because the index is the only one variable we are having here. Now 6 minus 1 will be 5, 5 minus 1 will be 4. Now we got the A value as 4. Next it will be R. So 6 minus 2 minus 1, which will be equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we got R value as 3. Now again B as came. So B will be equal to 6 minus 3 minus 1, which will be equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 will be 2. So again we got the B value as 2. Earlier I got the B value as 5. So what I will be doing? I will be replacing the new value. So new value is 2. Now again E. 6 minus 4 minus 1, which will be equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1. So E value is 1. Now again we are having R. So if you see R and write R means, so it will be 6 minus 5 minus 1, which will be equal to 0. I don't want to get 0. So what I will be doing? I will be keeping as it is. I will keep the R value as 3 only. I will not perform for the fifth, that is last index. I will not perform the value. So why I not perform the value? Because if I perform, then I will get the R value is 0. So I don't want R value is 0. Now for this dash space, what you must write? So you will just copy the length number. Length number is 6. Just write the 6 for the space. So what you wrote for the space, it was not in the pattern but it was in the text. So what you did? You would just copy the length value into the dash value or the space value. Now using this bad match table, let's go on seeing or matching the pattern in the text. So now how you will perform the problem means, see the last letter. It is R. What is in its straight? A is there. So compare. Whether R is same as A? No. So what you will be doing? Round up A and see the value of A. A value is 4. So what you will be doing? You will be jumping or moving 4 steps right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now here you came. So just write R, E, B, R, A, B. Now whether R is matching with E? No, R is not matching with E. Round it up. See the E value. It is 1. So you came here. So 1 step right side. Now R and dash. Whether R and space are matching? No. What is the value of dash or space? It is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you came here. So 6 spaces means R will come here. E, B, R, A, B. Now again compare R and B. Whether R and B are same? No. CB value is 2. Jump 2 times right side. So it will be B, A, R, B, E, R. Now R and R is same. E and A is not same. R and R was same, but E and A was not same. We must match for all of them. So R and R is same, E and A is not same. What you will be doing? You will be rounding up the last element only. That is R, and see its value. Its value is 3. So just jump 3. 1, 2, 3. So if you jump 3, R, E, B, R, A, B. Now if you see, R and R is same, E and E is same, B and B is same, R and R is same, A and A is same, B and B is same. Now here we matched the pattern in the text. That is, we searched the pattern in the text. So what you must do? First construct the bad match table. What was the formula? Value will be equal to length minus index minus 1. Length means what is the pattern's number of letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the length of the string or the pattern given. Using that, just solve the problem and match one by one. So hope you understood the concept of the horsepool algorithm. If you have any doubt, please do comment below. I will solve it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.